morning. My name is Thirupal Reddy. College is Bharat Institute of Engineering and Technology, Department Computer Science and Engineering. Now, our today topic is computer arithmetic. In this, the computer arithmetic processor can execute the four types of instructions. In this, there are addition, multiplication, subtraction, and division. Here, first we have to discover about the addition and subtractions. Addition. Addition of two numbers. Any two bits we can add 1 plus 0 equal to 1, 0 plus 1 equal to 1, and 0 plus 0 equal to 0, 0 plus 1 plus 1 equal to 0, then carry is 1. 1 plus 1 is 0, carry is forward to 1. Then in any addition of two numbers, we can take suppose 5 plus 6. Here, what is the value of in binary number 5, 1, 0, 1, 0. There are 4 bits we can take 0, 1, 0, 1 equal 5 and 6 equal 0, 1, 1, 0. By adding of these two numbers 1 plus 0 is equal to 1 plus 0 equal to 1, carry is 0, 0 plus 1 equal to 1, carry is 0, 1 plus 1, 1 plus 1 is 0, here carry is forwarded here, then 1 plus 0, 1 plus 0, 1, again 1 plus 0 is 1. Then this value is equivalent to 5 plus 6, what is the value? 11. In binary number, this value is equivalent to 11. This is addition of two numbers. This is next in the same subtraction. Suppose 11. 11 equal, what is the value? We know that 1, 0, 1, 1 and 5. We know that value of 5 equal 0, 1, 0, 1. Then this value is equivalent to subtraction of 11 minus 5, we know that 6. By subtracting this, we can take the 2's complement of value of this value. Then the 2's complement of this value is equivalent to 1011 equal to 11 and this 2's complement value is 0101. Then 1, 0, 1, 0, it is 1's complement. By adding 1 to the 1's complement, then 0, 1, 1, 1, 0, 1. Then this value can be added to 5. 5 is in 2's complement value 1, 0, 1, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1. By one one zero carry is 1, 1 1 0, 0 1 1 triple 1, that is 1, carry is 1. Next 1 0 0, 1 1 1 0 is carry is forwarded. Then remaining 4 bits, this value is equivalent to 6. Then 11 minus 5 is equivalent to 6. Then likewise addition and subtractions. Then another value plus 13 plus 6 is equal to plus 19 and plus 13 minus 6 equal to plus 7 and minus 13 plus 6 equal minus 7, minus 13, minus 6 is equal to minus 19. Then it can be represent in binary form, that is plus 13 is equivalent to, what is the plus 13 value? Then 0, 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 8 plus 4, 12, 0, 1. Then that value is equivalent to plus 13. Plus 6. Plus 6 is equal to 0, 0, 0, 0, 1. Sorry, 0, 1, 1, 0. Then that value is equivalent to plus 6. By adding of these two bits, 1 plus 0. 1 plus 0 is equivalent to 1. 0 plus 1 is equivalent to 1. 1 plus 1, 0, carry is forwarded here. Again 1 plus 1, 0 plus 0 again. 1 plus 1, 0, carry is forwarded here. Then again this value is equal to 1 plus 0 plus 0 equal to 1, 0, 0, 0. Then this value is equivalent to plus 19. That is here 2 power 0, 2 power 1, 2 square, 2 cube, 2 power 4. 2 power 4 is 16. It is 0, it is 0, it is 2, it is 1. 16 plus 2 plus 1 equal to 19. Similarly, in minus 13 and plus 6. Minus 13 equal to plus 13 value is 2's complement value of this value. What is the 2's complement value of this value? 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1. It's plus 13. This 2's complement value, this 2's complement value is equal to 0, 0, sorry, 1, 1, 1, 1, 0, 0, 1, 0. By adding 1, then you can get 1, 1, 1, 0, 0, 1, 1. This is the 2's complement value of plus 13. That is 1, 1, 1, 1, 0, 0, 1, 1. Then plus 6 is equal to same value. 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0. By adding again these two numbers, we can get 1 plus 0, 1, 1 plus 1, 0, carry is 1, 1 plus 0, 1, 1 plus 1, 0, carry 1, 1 plus 0 plus 0, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1. This is minus 7. Minus 7 can be represented, it is in 2's complement. Later we will, minus 7 is what, plus 7 is what. Next plus 13. Plus 13 equal to same 0, 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1. Minus 6. What is the plus 6 is here? 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0. Then minus 6 is its 2's complement form. 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 0, next 0, 1. 1, 1, 1, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0. By adding 1, 1, 1, 1, 0, 0, 1, adding 1, 1, 1, 0, carry 1, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1. This value equal 1, 1, 1, 1, 0, 1, 0. This is the minus 6. Now, by adding of these two numbers again, 1, 0, 1, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1, 1, 0, carry 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 1, 1, 1, 0. Carry is neglected here. This value equal plus 7. Triple 1 is equal to plus 7. Similarly, by adding of minus 13 and minus 16, minus 13 is equal to this value. Then 1, 1, 1, 1, 0, 0, 1, 1. That is the equivalent to minus 13. Next, minus 6. Minus 6 is equivalent to this value 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 0, 1, 0. That is minus 13 and minus 16. By adding of minus 13 and minus 16, we can get minus 19. That is 1 plus 0, 0, 1 plus 1, 0, carry is forwarded here. Again 1 plus 0 plus 0, 1, 0, 0 plus 1, 1. Next 1 plus 1, 0, carry is forwarded here. Triple 1, 1, 1. Again 1, 1, 1, 1, 1. Again triple 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, carry is forwarded here. This value is equivalent to minus 19. Then it is the negative value represent in the 2's complement form, that is this number is representing in 2's complement form. Here the plus 19 is 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 1, 1. This is equivalent to plus 19. Then this value is by finding the 2's complement value by 0 is replaced by 1, 0 is replaced by 1, 0 is replaced by 1, 1 is replaced by 0, 0 is replaced by 1, 0 is replaced by 1, 1 is replaced by 0, 1 is replaced by 0. It is 1's complement. Again by 1, adding to the 1's complement, we can get the 2's complement 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1, 1. This value is equivalent to this value. It is plus 19. Plus 19 value is 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 1, 1. This is plus 19. Then this 2's complement form, that is 1, 1. First we have to find out the 1's complement. Then by adding 1 to the 1's complement, we can get the 2's complement. This is the 2's complement minus 19. In the same minus 7. Here plus 7. What is the plus 7 value? Plus 7 value is equivalent to 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1. We know that. Here it is 2 power 0, 2 power 1, 2 square. Remaining all are zeros. Then 2 power 0 is 1, 1 into 2. 2 power 0 is 1, 1 into 1, 1. 2 power 1, 2 into 1, 2 square. 4 into 1, 4 plus 2 plus 1. 4 plus 2 plus 1 equal to 7. That is plus 7. Its 2's complement value is find out by adding 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 0, 0, 0. It is the 1's complement of plus 7. By adding 1 to the 1's complement, we can get 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 0, 0, 1. Again, this value is equivalent to minus 7. Here minus 7 equal to this value 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1 and 0, 0, 1. Here 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 0, 0, 1. This is minus 7. This is equivalent to minus 7. Likewise, plus 13, plus 16 and plus 13, minus 6, minus 13, minus 6, minus 13, plus 6. Whatever the value we can add, the subtraction is also perform the addition only by 2's complement value adding to the 2's complement value is adding 1's complement value plus 1. Then we can get the 2's complement. The 2's complement value is adding to the its positive number. That is suppose plus 13. We know that the plus 6, but minus 6 can be adding. Adding plus 13 minus 6 is equivalent to plus 7. We know that the plus 6 value, the plus 6 value is this value. Then this 2's complement value is added to this value, you can get plus 13 minus 6 is equal to plus 7. Likewise, addition and subtraction can be performed here.